G'day, thanks for watching. Let's take a look at the Dow. We'll start out on the weekly. I've brought some data in, and there are a couple of things to note. I have shifted the all-time high dashed line on this chart up to the most recent all-time high price. And over here, we have an FLD projection. It's a 20-week FLD projection, which has been met. We're now in the zone for the 40-week low, sometime between the 2nd of November and the 21st of December, with the midpoint at the 30th of November as a guide. So this phasing is suggesting a drop. How much of a drop? Well, down for 2, 3, 4 weeks, something like that would be typical and visually significant. So we'll track that as we go. We may be able to put in some FLD projections to the downside. Let's have a look at the daily. Bring in some data. Now, I don't get into coulda, woulda, shoulda, and so I have marked a valid trend line in here based on the low at the 31st of October. Let's just update cycles and see if CycleMaster does choose that. No, it's gone further out. I'm going to choose this one back here. Now, I've been wrong before. Sometimes, oops, wrong stuff. Sometimes CycleMaster wins the argument. Let's just update cycles. And it puts a large arrow there just as a reminder that I've placed it there. So this upward sloping valid trend line is a 20-day valid trend line, and it was crossed, and I missed it. That was an opportunity to get short, and I got out of my long positions, but not based on that cross. Now, since then, we've had another low. Could that be the 20-day low? Well, a little bit late. This one here is 17 days along. Let's just see what this would be. 24. Possible. I think unlikely to this low, which is the 7th of November. But if we go from the 20-day low that I've chosen, which was the 31st of October, to this day, that's 7 days along. That could be a 10-day low. We'll have to wait and see on that. If this phasing, in fact, is going to hold up, then we expect that price will drop into this 40-week zone, which is tightened up compared to the weekly, of course. Sometime between the 17th of November and the 24th of November, and the midpoint of this overlapping orb is the 21st of November. Now, those zones are just guides. Can't expect perfection. They are just guides. All right, let's see. Thanks for watching.